Okay, number 2. I'm going to do this with synthetic. It's going to be easier. The problem is we're missing some terms. So I have m to the third power, no m to the second. So plus 0m squared. I don't have an m to the first. So plus 0m to the first. And then minus 27. If you're missing terms, you got to put zeros as placeholders. The bottom doesn't matter. So we have m minus 3. So you're going to take the opposite sign, which is a positive 3. That's going to be what goes in the box. Okay. And then we're going to list the coefficients. So number out front is a 1. And then I got a 0. And then another 0, a negative 27. Alright, draw this line, bring the first term straight down, that's a 1, and then multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. Write the result up here, add, we get 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Write the result above the line, add, and we get 9. And then 3 times 9 is 27. Combine these, we get a 0. This is ideal. When you have 0 as a remainder, that is great. Okay, so we started with m cubed to the third. We're dividing 1, so subtract 1 from there and you will start with m squared. So this is 1 m squared. I'll write the 1 for now, but we don't need it. 1m squared. And then this is, since this is positive, plus 3, and it will just be 1m. You just kind of count down with that exponent. So 2, 1, and then 0. So plus 9. With no m. So this is the way it works, and this is your resulting polynomial. The 1 is understood, so you just have m squared plus 3m, and whatever sign you have here is the sign you put here. If it's positive, put plus. If it was negative, you would put a minus. Okay, so we get m squared plus 3m plus 9. Okay, number 3, we have c to the third, and we don't have a c squared. Okay, so I have to do plus 0 c squared, missing that square term, and then plus 2c, and then minus 12. So that's the pattern. Whatever your biggest exponent, you have to count down in order. 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, we got everything. On the bottom, we got c minus 2. Okay, so opposite sign, it's going to be a positive 2. That's my box. And then list the coefficients only. So 1, 0, 2, negative 12. Draw my line, bring the first number straight down. So 1. Note that we're going to start with a third, subtract 1, so this is going to be like a c squared when we start. So I'm just kind of writing that off to the side. It's going to start with c squared. Alright, 2 times 1 is 2. Add, we get 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Combine, we get 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Combine, we get 0. This is ideal. Remainder of 0. So we start out with c squared. So this is 1c squared. Since that's positive, plus 2c, and then plus 6. No c. 2, 1, 0. It always goes in that order when you count down. So c squared plus 2c plus 6.